Baby, heal, take all the time you will. I never thought I'd say it, but I'm ready for it. I don't want to see your face no more, but that doesn't mean that I'm shutting the door. No, I'm just a tree.
Wild bamboo. Woo!